What is the difference between checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions? Unchecked exceptions. Answer. Checked exceptions are those exceptions. Checked exceptions are those exceptions checked exceptions are those exceptions which are rising at compilation time of the program. Time of the program. Such type of exceptions we call them as checked exceptions. Checked exceptions. For example, whatever the classes which are comes under exception class, all are comes under exception class. All are what? All are comes under checked exceptions. Unchecked exception means those unchecked exception means the program doesn't rise any error at compilation time. Doesn't rise any error at compilation time. Unchecked exceptions are rising. Unchecked exceptions are rising at runtime only. For example, whatever classes whatever classes which are comes under runtime exception class, runtime exception class, whatever classes which are comes under runtime exception class, those classes are unchecked exception classes. Whatever the classes which are comes under runtime exception class, those classes are unchecked exception classes. Next question.